Hi guys, under certain conditions, dirt or water can accumulate underneath the glass in this area. That's where you have the front-facing camera in the new Toyota RAV4. If that happens, the camera may not work properly, and Toyota suggests that you take the car to the dealer. But today we'll show you how to remove the camera and clean the glass yourself. First we will need to remove this plastic cover. In order to do that, you have to just slide the plastic down. Press on two latches to remove the central part. So you have to pull down these two pins like that from both sides, and then you can slide this bracket, and this is your camera. So you could disconnect the connector, and this is part number.